Listen to the sound of the falling rain.
What?
Thunder clashed behind them. The ground shook.
It's an old song. Something I remember when I was a kid. Figure it was fitting.
I know the song, and that's not how it goes.
Yeah, it is. It's listen to the sound of the falling rain. Tell me what I've lost.
No, that's way off. It's listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been.
Roy tilted his head lazily to the side. He let the words sink into his mind.
You're probably right. Luckily, I ain't got nothing to care about right now. How many days has it been?
I don't know. I stopped counting after 50. You know, Sarah heard about some guy who has been creating these slaves. I guess you can call him that.
Like a real go-do-this type slave?
No, like, you're now doing my bidding type slave. Apparently he has this unreal power on people.
Surprising it's a man that has that power.
So, he goes around the South, causing havoc, and word gets out about it. Sarah tells me, I didn't even tell anyone else.
Roy watched as the rain formed puddles in the mud, slithering its way to them. He blinked himself back to the conversation.
You told me.
Yeah, I told you. So at first, he was this regular guy, nothing different from us, trying to survive. He comes across this thing, something, I don't know. The details always change about what happens, but for sure he comes across some sort of book or journal that changed his life.
Book or a journal? Really?
Roy turned, facing Andre, giving him an uninterested look.
Yeah, hear me out. So throughout his travels, he meets like one or two people. I know one dies for sure, some woman, but he meets this professor.
Roy focused back on the rain. It encased everything. The leaves kept what liquid they could from falling. He was grateful for that. A small appreciation for his situation. The sound of footsteps caught his attention. Was it footsteps? He couldn't differentiate the noise.
Wait, quiet.
Andre, looking half-tired, had a sudden burst of attention. His eyes widened, weapon held up, aiming at whatever Roy looked at. They sat in silence for minutes. The rain didn't let up.
Never mind. Thought I heard something.
Andre eased his tensed body.
You can't be doing that, man. Shit nearly gave me a heart attack.
So yeah, tell me what happened.
He met some professor, and this guy has like a journal book thing. It contains some crazy shit and experiments. Sometimes after he gets the book, that's it. He just vanished, and now people are saying he's still out there causing all this craziness in the South.
Do you believe it's some sort of power? I mean, after that stupid shit of a war, you think something emerged from it.
Andre looked around at the scenery. Dead trees scattered, a lush green forest surrounded them. But of all that caught his eye, the destroyed city shadowed everything.
I kinda want to. This world has shown us so much. It's had so much beauty taken from it in the past years. I kinda wish there was something else out there we haven't discovered.
What about the oceans? I never fully discovered those.
With what country are we going to explore them now? We're focusing on surviving and reconstruction. I doubt anyone has a submarine ready to go.
You never know. There might still be some government out there. Can't all just be tribes and factions and gangs. I'm tired of it already. I'm tired of the fighting, mostly.
Yes, that we could do without. I ain't never get this serious. The whole you cause, they cause shit.
They stared into the forest, listening to the rain. It never changed. Roy felt his eyes drift, his head tilted.
Fuck, man. When is our shift over?
As soon as he finished speaking, a horrid howl emerged from the forest. They both sat up. What haze and tired grog had covered them quickly faded.
What was that?
Was that
A mutilated figure fell from the bushes in front of them. As its skin melted off it, it left a trail of brown mucus burning what it touched. It looked up at them, screaming a horrible sound, reaching for them as it vomited more of its treacherous bile.
Fuck, what the hell?
Andre fumbled the rifle in his hand as he took aim. He let the bullets meet the thing's skull. Its voice gurgled, and it hissed as it died.
Oh, motherfucking, this is from that guy I was telling you about. This shit is real. Holy hell, it's real.
What? You didn't say anything about this crap.
Well, this fucking thing, I never even believed the stories, but shit, it's real.
A man with a heavy cloak slowly walked from the bushes. Sunken eyes rested on his skull. Skin had flaked off, revealing muscle and bone. Elongated fingers pointed towards them. An immediate sense of relief struck them, worry distancing itself from their mind, and Andre lowered his rifle. The rain grew louder as it continued to drop. Without hesitation, Roy and Andre stood up, going towards the campsite they came from. Mark smiled, revealing rotten teeth.